Hello, fifth graders. Mrs. Fernanda here. Are you ready for your spelling test? If you have not numbered your papers 1 to 22, please stop the video now and go ahead and do that. Remember also that you may pause the video after every word if you wish. We're going to get through the words and then we'll do the spelling key at the end. All right. Number 1, promising. He works hard and has a promising career ahead of him. Promising. Pause if you need to. Number 2, widest. The widest place in the river was also the shallowest. Widest. Remember, those are application words. They were not on your test. They come from knowing about the rules. So number 3 is borders. Mexico borders the United States to the south. Borders. Again, you pause just by hitting the space key and then hit it again when you're ready. Number 4, alarmed. Don't be alarmed, but you have a spider on your sleeve. Alarmed. Number 5, concerning. My mother wrote a note concerning my illness. Concerning. Number 6, pre-recorded. We changed the pre-recorded message on our answering machine. Pre-recorded. Number 7, requiring. My computer game is requiring a password I don't know. Requiring. Number 8, supposed to. The show is supposed to begin in 10 minutes. Supposed to. Number 9, misreported. The journalist misreported the facts and was fired from his job. Misreported. Number 10, surprising. In a surprising turn of events, my friend came to the party unexpectedly. Surprising. Number 11, unexplored. Most of our solar system remains unexplored. Unexplored. Number 12, wisest. The wisest move would be to protect your queen, my chess instructor explained. Wisest. Number 13, dirty. Every night I have to wash the dirty dishes after dinner. Dirty. Number 14, knees. When I fell, my pants tore at both knees. Knees. Number 15, ought. I ought to know her name, but I can't remember. Ought. Collect. My little sister loves to collect seashells. Collect. Number 17, chapter. For homework, we had to read to the end of the chapter. Chapter. Number 18, staring. I was staring off into space and didn't hear this question. Staring. Number 19, fought. The team fought hard but still lost the game. Fought. Number 20, belong. My parents belong to a book club. Belong. The last 2, margin. My teacher wrote comments in the margin of my paper. Margin. And the last one, number 22, conquer. In my brother's video game, you have to conquer the monster. Conquer. And that is it. Please pause the video now, go back and check your answers, and then even back up the video and see if I didn't quite hear that word, or what, I'd like to hear the sentence again. Back up a little, listen, and then write it down correctly. Just do your best. Now I'm going to go over the answers. All right, our first one is promising. Get a little pen here. Promising, we've dropped the E here in promise and added ing to the base word. Widest, again, we dropped the E here and then added est, widest. Borders, we've got the OR here and the ER here, borders. Alarmed, this alarmed, the first syllable has a schwa, there's the R sound, and then we just added the ED to the M because we don't have anything to drop there. Concerning, remember to spell by syllables. Our first syllable has a schwa spelled with the O. Concerning, we just added the ing to the end without worrying about our consonants there. Number 6, pre-recorded. Here is our prefix, pre-recorded. We just added the ed at the end. We have the or sound here in the middle. Requiring. Again, we dropped an E here, and then we added the ing. Supposed to. Hopefully you remember this. You drop the E from suppose and add ed, and it's 2 words, supposed to. Let me make myself a little smaller. Here we go. Misreported. So we have our prefix miss, and then reported, we have the ed added onto the end. Surprising, just like promising, we're going to drop that E here and add ing to the end. And here's our sound with the UR. Unexplored, un is our prefix, explore is our base word. We dropped the E and added ed on the end of explored. Wisest, again, drop the E, add est for an ending from the base word. Dirty, we have the sound spelled IR and then the long E sound made by the Y at the end of the word. Knees, I hope you got the silent K, and the long E sound is being spelled double E in this case. Ought, this is a word you just have to memorize. Remember, this goes with ought, bought, thought, brought. So this OUGHT is a sound that we use in multiple words in English. Number 16, collect. Again, we have a schwa in the first syllable. And then ect. Hopefully you heard both the C and the T there. Chapter, we have the sound at the end. We split the syllable just so you know, chapter. Staring, we took out the E, we dropped our E here, and we added ing as our ending. Fought, here it is again, here's the ought. Fought, brought, thought, ought. Belong, this usually is said with a schwa. Some people say belong, but most people say belong, which turns that into a schwa spelled with an E. Margin, remember that our J sound, the G makes the J sound in front of the letters E and I and Y. Whoops, I was going in the wrong direction. And our final word is, conquer. So here we have con, and then we have cur, remembering that Q always takes a U after it in English words, and then we have ending in the ER. Well done. Please make your changes, cross out words that you missed, write it again correctly, take a picture of it and turn it in, and I will see you next week. Thank you.